Alright, so this is another one of the new DEKS products. This is the repair putty for steel. So we've just drilled a 5mm hole in some galvanised steel just to show how it can be repaired. Again, it's 1 part epoxy, doesn't need mixing, it's all in one piece. Just take it out of the tube. You'll make sure your external part's dry before you apply it. This one's a bit more stickier. Take apart what you think you need. Little chunk off the what's allowed for in the tube. Mix it up. You don't need to wet this one either like Duo Bond.